Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add clickable links to your Flodesk email in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for flodesk.com. Once you are in, you will see at the top right side the login button. Click on this and log in with your credentials. Once you are in, you have to select your email. Now select the section where you want to add the link and click on this. You will see at the right side of your screen a panel will appear. Now here few tabs are there. Click on the link option and in the box type your URL link. Then here at the bottom you will see the save button. Click on this and your link is saved. Now your text is clickable. Before sending, always preview or send yourself a test email to make sure every link works properly. And that's it, you have just made your Flodesk email more powerful. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.